The next step is building a routine. If we have a structured routine around toileting, then it will become more meaningful for our children and more predictable for our children. So therefore, toileting needs to become more predictable, more neutral, more stress-free and more repeatable. So it has to be repeated again and again. So the structure that needs to be repeated is, first step, I go to the washroom. Second step, I sit on the toilet seat. Third step, I wash my hands. Fourth step, I come out. This is the routine, which is broadly what happens when we go to the washroom to pee or poop. And this is the routine that we are going to start following with our children after every half an hour or 45 minutes. The target still is not going and performing on the toilet seat. अभी ज़रूरी नहीं है बच्चे जाएंगे और वो वहाँ पर पी या poop करेंगे. It is just very important for them to go, just sit, wash their hands, come out successful. Then we start by making the time predictable. Instead of एक बहुत important strategy होती है, हम every 45 minutes के बाद बच्चों को washroom लेके जाते हैं, which is also very useful and should be done with lot of our children. But इससे ज़्यादा effective होता है finding the time, a big time every day जब हम उनको washroom लेके जाते हैं. For example, when they wake up, first thing they do is sit on the toilet seat, because अब उनका routine predictable हो गया. They understand I have to get up, go to the washroom, sit on the toilet seat, get up, wash my hands and come out. After waking up, after breakfast, after dinner, after coming back from the park, after coming back from the school. So these are the times during the day when this routine needs to become predictable and this routine needs to be followed diligently, ताकि उनके mind के अंदर ये एक जो routine है ये फिक्स हो जाए कि मुझे इस टाइम के बाद मम्मा वॉशरूम रोज लेकर जाती हैं. Whether I do or not, this is part of my routine of going to the washroom.